Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you step by step how you can add sticky notes to your presentations on Miro. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your board on Miro, and here guys on the left panel you will see that customization tool called sticky note. You may also use the shortcut N for that if you like. So let me click into it, and after that select your sticky notes color or background color. You may also go with templates if you like. I will go with simple color like this one here, and after that place your sticky note wherever you like here on your board. So let me add it here, for example. You may also resize it, as you can see, by clicking into one of its corners. And if you'd like to fill it with content, simply left click into it and add your text, as you can see. And that's basically it. Now, of course, you can always customize the text here, change the font, add a comment. You may lock the give it sticky note so that you don't edit or move it accidentally when editing your board. You may add a hyperlink, change the alignment, change the font style, click into more here, and for example, change the position of the sticky note, bring it to front, bring it to the back, copy it, and so on and so forth. Even export it as a separate CSV or Excel file. And that's basically it, guys. If you'd like to change the fill color, click into this button here, and there you go. After that, you may also change the switch type if you like, and select one of these customizations for sticky notes. Like for example, let me go with that one here, and there you go. Now it looks like this. So if you'd like to add connections to your sticky note, for example, connect it with one of your items, guys. Let me just resize it and position it here. Let me, for example, connect it with that star here. So what you want to do is simply click into one of these dots of the given item, or you may do the same for your sticky note, just like that. Click into it, hold your left mouse, and after that connect both items by releasing your mouse over that dot here, one of these, and that's going to add a connection like this. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.